In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a chat in Microsoft Teams for easy access and better organization. Whether you're trying to keep track of ongoing conversations or simply streamline your communications, pinning a chat can be an incredibly handy tool. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, let's go ahead and open Microsoft Teams. If you're using the desktop application, you can find it in your list of installed programs or simply type Microsoft Teams into your computer's search bar. Alternatively, if you prefer using a browser, head over to the official Teams website and log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you're now ready to navigate through the application to find the chat feature. Now that you've got Microsoft Teams open, take a look at the navigation panel. You'll notice a variety of options there, but for today's task, we want to focus on the chat option. Go ahead and click on chat, and you should see a list of your recent conversations or ongoing chats with your colleagues, friends, or team members. This is where all your personal and group chats are stored. Once you're in the chat section, scroll through your list until you find the specific chat you'd like to pin. It could be a crucial conversation with your manager or just your team's casual group chat that you need constant access to. Now, after locating the desired chat, move your cursor to the upper right corner of that chat, and there you'll see an icon with 3 dots. These dots represent additional settings and options for that particular chat. Click on the 3 dots and a drop-down menu should appear. Within this menu, you'll find several different actions you can take with the chat, but today we're interested in the pin option. Clicking pin will instantly pin this chat to the top of your chat list. This means that no matter how many new chats come in, this conversation will remain at the top, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. And just like that, you've successfully pinned the chat. This small action can make a significant difference in your workflow, allowing you to maintain quick access to your most important conversations without getting lost in a sea of messages. Congratulations, you're done. By following these simple steps, you've learned an efficient way to keep your important chats within reach at all times. Remember, you can unpin the chat anytime by revisiting the same options menu. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to explore more features in Microsoft Teams to enhance your productivity even further. Until next time, take care.